All right, everyone. So, welcome to lesson one, the alphabet. Now, the alphabet's a bit different from, it uses the English or Roman alphabet, not Cyrillic. So it's easy enough for me to read. But there are a few exceptions here. There's C, S, and Z, or Z if you're Canadian. They have little hats on them. Well, there's the normal one, and then there's another one with little hats. And so those are pronounced differently. What I do like about this so far is that the letter that you see only really makes one sound. And if they needed another sound, they just made a different letter, like the letter C and little happy hat C. Okay? There are two exceptions to that, and those are some of the vowels. E and O. E has 3 sounds, and O has 2 sounds. But otherwise, once you've learned the letter, that's it. So let's start with consonants. B is pronounced like English, B. So an example word would be banka. Now, if it's like Russian, that means jar. I don't know. I'm guessing. Letter C is like ts from cats. So center, the town center, center. Little C with the little chevron is like ch in cheese, chocolate. I think you guys can guess what that is. It's delicious, chocolate. D is diploma. See, that's almost like English. See, half of these words are like English, half have been Russian. F, festival. G is G, like green, so Galleria. H in house, helicopter, helicopter. I don't know, the O and the E are these. The O has a dot under it, and the E is a different sound. Helicopter, maybe, I don't know. That's a closed E for those who understand what open and closed means. J is like Y in yellow, yeah, so Januar, January. K is K, carta, like a map. L, limona, limona, the O is the dot again. M, million. There's a J in that O with the dot. N, November, November. P is in P, E with the dot. We'll talk about these dots and things in a minute. Professor. R, it's a rolled R like in French or Russian. Radio. S, saxophone. S with the little chevron, the hat. Sh, like in show. Student. T is T, but it's dental. What the heck do they mean by dental? Like, you have tablet, I don't know. I don't know what that means. Their description is, it's not like the other ones where it says T as in the word dental. It says T, but dental. So if anyone knows, please let me know. I have no idea. V is V, like weekend. So weekend, I'm guessing. Z, not Z, Z. Zoo, zebra, zebra. And then Z with the chevron is like J, like in leisure, giraffe, giraffe, I assume. Now, if you have questions about any of that, please write down below, and I will do my best. So on the last day of the week, I'll do a recap and I'll answer all kinds of questions that people have. Vowels. Oh, stop. Before we go to vowels, you'll notice that there were 4 letters missing from the alphabet. There's no W, X, Y, and Q. They don't use them because all those sounds are represented in another way. All right, now alphabet. So A, I, and U are pronounced the same way all the time. A is pronounced like in father, father. Sava is a river in Slovenia. Sava. I is like in seen, so E. So Mirna, which is another river, I guess. From what I understand in the lesson, all of these capitalized words are rivers in Slovenia. Letter U is U, like U, and the river name is Mura, Mura. Now, so let's go with O because there are only 2 sounds with O. So there's open O, which is like in cot, ka, and so gara, which is a mountain, I think, because in Russian that's like mountain. Then there's the closed O, which is the one with the dot underneath, and they describe it like it's between A and U, so O, O. So I would say sora, 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 I think. Letter E, there are 3 sounds. There's the open E like in bet, eh. And the example they have is teta, teta, which is ant, or I don't remember in Russian. I used to know. Teta? No, I don't. It's definitely okay. Then there's the closed E, which they say is between E and E. So A. It sounds like kind of like Russian yeah. That's what I'm. So E with the dot underneath is like, I think it's rieka, rieka. And then finally, the last sound E makes is like schwa, which I don't know what a schwa is, but they say schwa, and the example word is hammock. So the O makes the sound eh, hammock, hammock, eh. So if I look at their word dog, it's hammock, piss, piss, which is like Russian dog, pios. Anyway, so this is the basic alphabet. There are other rules for how these words are pronounced, like there's vowel reductions. When you have certain vowels following specific consonants, you have to change that's next lesson. Don't worry about that today. Let's just try and pronounce these words or sounds. So be, ce, che, de, f, g, he, ye, k, l, m, n, p, r, s, sh, t, v, z, j, a, e, ye, I, a, o, u. Let me know how I did, guys. Thank you for your time. I'm trying my best. It's without hearing these, it's very difficult. Anyways, thank you for checking it out today, and if you haven't already, subscribe down below. Thanks again for watching. Bye.